everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. I'm out here at Copart in Florida at the other sublot, but unfortunately they said I cannot go inside due to Hurricane Nicole that's in the area. There's a lot of debris flying around, so they said it wasn't safe for me to go inside and check out the cars that are playing today. I had some campers I wanted to see. There's a lot of RVs playing here. This is their heavy yard, so it's a different sublot than I was the other day. Very sad. Unfortunately, I can't go inside, and I am leaving tonight, so hopefully I'll still be able to pick up another car that I checked out in the other yard, but I cannot go and inspect these other vehicles here. There's a lot going on, and they're saying they're spending all their manpower on basically just securing things down, preparing for the other hurricane that's coming. Hurricane Ian wasn't enough. Hurricane Nicole is around the corner. It's already a tropical storm, but it's about to hit land or something like that, and I feel the wind, so it's definitely moving. Very unfortunate. They are still loading, but people getting in and out, just prepping for the storm. Oh yeah, it is definitely windy, and my hat's gonna blow away. So at this Copart yard, I'm not allowed to go inside. Every Copart facility has their own specific rules, so it's definitely good to call ahead to find out their regulations. But yeah, can't get in. What a bummer. So it's very important to check out the car that you're gonna play on, see the location. Just because it says Punta Gorda, Florida, that could mean one of the 3 lots that it's in. So definitely check out the sublot location, will give you an address. Then you know which facility it is, because they're about an hour or something away from each other. And so it's definitely important to look at all the information that's on the site. You know, make sure the title's good, make sure the location's where you think it's gonna be. Because even if you put it on dispatch, they could go to the wrong yard, and yeah, it's frustration for everybody. So very good to pay attention to what yard you're at, see all the details. Storm's coming. All right guys, so the auction just started playing. I pulled over, I was on my way to the other sublot. Starting to rain out here, this storm is coming, and I need a ride home. So I am playing the cars right now live from my phone. Hopefully win something and figure out a way to get it back home and drive it back home to South Carolina. So we'll see if I get it for a good deal. Hopefully I'll be able to pick it up. Like I said, I got 3 or 4 that I'm really, considering to just take. See how much it goes for. Hopefully I'll get it and drive home. With Copart, you could just have an app, open it up, and you could bid cars live wherever you're at. So that's pretty sweet, very convenient. A lot of people play out of country, so for them, titles aren't really a big deal. Certificate of destruction, so we can't even get that on the road. But different countries, no big deal. All right guys, so the Mustang is playing right after this truck. I wasn't actually able to find this truck, so I didn't look at it, so I'm not gonna play on this one. But man, there's 843 people online right now participating in this auction. That's pretty crazy. A lot of people bidding. But hey, there's thousands of cars playing, so hopefully I'll be able to pick one up. I really want to get that Mustang. That would be awesome. Fun drive home for sure. So hopefully right after this, be the Mustang. So as soon as somebody hits a bid, the little blue line starts all over, and that's the time. Sometimes there's bonus time after that, which usually happens when you're like about to get it, and you're like, yeah, super deal, bonus time, then somebody else hits, and they can start all over again, the bidding war. But man, you could get something. This is on reserve too, so the seller could basically say, hey, you know, want more, and not actually get it. Pure sale, if you get it for that price, that's what you got it for. Here we go, guys. I'm a little nervous. Right after this, hopefully, it's not a bad deal. Here we go, already outbid. All right, I'm winning, 16.5. Come on, baby, let it go. No. Georgia, Missouri, let it go, guys. My car. There's different strategies I'm bidding. You can go aggressive, be like, hey, I'm getting this thing. Or you could back off and be like, oh, I don't know if it's worth it or not, it's a lot. 17.2. Oh, come on. No, I still want it, for sure. I'm in it to win it. Come on, let it go, let it go. Oh, are you kidding me? Sorry guys, 1 second. Don't glitch out. Bonus time. 17.6, that's not bad. Oh, stop it, Georgia. It's mine. Come on. I'm already 18. I was about to win it for 17. Now I'm at 18 grand plus fees. Are looking at 19. So it's getting close to my cap. Nice. There we go, guys. All right. So I got myself a Mustang. Everything else, we'll see. We'll put some bids on it. We'll watch it later, but no big deal. Let's go ahead and go to that yard and try to figure out a way to get this thing home. People are boarding stuff up, getting ready for Hurricane Nicole. Dang. All right, guys, I am back in my favorite sublot here in Florida. Hopefully I'll be able to pick up my Ford Mustang, or at least check it out, look at it, and see what we can do. Pretty sure I'd take a left here. Big old lot. All right, guys, and the adventure continues. I got the Mustang out of the yard. That took a little longer than I thought, but there it is. Check it out. Whew, that is my ride home. I need to drive that back to South Carolina, about 630 miles home. So definitely kind of nervous, not gonna lie. Whew, it's raining. Tropical storm or Hurricane Nicole's coming. I definitely want to get out of Florida as soon as possible. Man, this thing is beautiful. I was definitely more excited bidding on it than I am now driving it home. It's like, why do I keep doing this to myself? But it's an adventure, and I'm bringing you all along with us. So, yeah, so I looked it up. This thing actually is a GT Premium with the platinum white. So it's beautiful for sure. I'm over here at the car wash. I'm gonna go ahead and get the stickers off, get this thing checked out. My bumper is damaged, and I had to actually get it loaded onto a trailer getting it out of Copart, and I damaged the front bumper more. But either way, I still gotta paint it, so bummed, but not that bummed, I guess. But man, definitely got a long road trip ahead of me. I'm gonna check all my tires. I'm gonna check my oil. Might have to go to advanced stop or whatever, auto advanced store and jack it up. I wanna see underneath this thing, make sure everything looks good. And then slowly but surely make my way back to South Carolina. Leave some comments down below, guys. Would you ever try to do something like that? Fly over, get a car, and drive it back. I don't know. It's gonna be a fun adventure. Let's get it done. Like I said, first thing, get that off, get all my old Copart stuff off, clean it up a little bit, and let's keep going. I already got some supplies, so that should be fine. Let's play bolts, razor blade, some cleaning supplies, multi-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna clean it up, get it for the road. So I'm driving in it, I felt a little bit of noise and vibration coming from the front passenger side, so I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up and do a shakedown. Just put it side to side, make sure nothing's loose, make sure it's good, because I got a long road trip ahead of me. And this way I get to check underneath the car as well, just do a good quick visual. So like I said, I heard something, I was like, man, what is that? It makes me a little nervous, but it's looking pretty good right there. I mean, felt pretty solid, not too loose, so that should be good. And I think the noise might come from that plastic right here, so it's kind of flapping around, and that's probably what I'm hearing right there. Overall, underneath looks great, pretty clean. Let's keep going. Man, this car is definitely beautiful. I love the white and the black combo. and even the custom exhaust tips. Nice. Oh yeah, somebody put some time and money into it for sure. So that's pretty sweet. All right, 9 hours to go. Let's go, let's get ready and just start heading out. I mean, I'm feeling pretty good about it. Everything seems nice. Hopefully make it home. All right, guys, made it back home. It's like 2 in the morning, but the Mustang did solid. I didn't have any breakdowns. I didn't have to pull over. It is a champ, 630 miles. Whew, 9 hours, 10 hours, something like that. I've been up all day, definitely tired, so I'm gonna call it a night, but catch you guys in the morning just to go over it real quick. Woo-wee, guys, there we go. It is the next morning. I'm back at the shop with the Mustang 5.0 and it did great. Like I said, I'm super thankful that nothing happened, nothing broke down. I didn't actually pull over for anything but just fuel twice. So that was awesome. Straight back, 630 miles, back to the shop. But let's talk about the price real quick, how much I've invested, how much did it cost me to bring this home sitting as is. I still want to take it apart and see what's going on in the inside, just in case I find some issues. I don't know, my front bumper I need to fix a little bit, so I am gonna add a little bit more to it. But overall, you've seen the price, I got it for $18,000. After fees, it was $19,200. Then I got my airplane ticket one way going to Florida I had to pay for. I had to rent a car, I had to get an Uber, and I had to pay for gas and a hotel night. So all that I would say, probably 800 bucks. So I have like $20,000 in it as it sits right now back at the shop. 20 grand for 2017 with 46,000 miles on it. I don't think it's that bad. Like, it's still expensive, surprisingly, because it is a water flood damage salvage title, but overall, I'm happy with it. These things are going for like $34,000, and I'm just gonna drive it for now. You know, it looks sick for sure. Definitely a sweet looking car, sweet ride. I still do want to take it apart, make sure there's no water left inside, make sure my connections are good, you know, spray it down, oil it up, because that salt water, it's gonna start corroding if there was any. So make sure you stay tuned. We are gonna take this thing apart. We are gonna get it stripped and hopefully fix the front bumper. If anything else, you know, we'll see as we take it apart. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for joining me in this adventure, going down, check out the flooded saltwater cars. But hit that notification bell, hit that like button, leave some comments below. Catch you next time.